Hey guys, JT here with a quick unboxing of a car I got from Gearbest.com. This is going to be the JJRC Speed Runner. This is basically a 12 scale buggy, basically like a rock crawler. So it's probably going to be based kind of on the design of some of the other ones that I've gotten as well. But you see that the body looks a lot different and stuff on there, and I'm hoping that it comes with workable LED lights, because that would be cool. So let me get this out this box real quick. Alright guys, got that pulled out, and you see this is packaged in here. Oh yeah, gotta love the smell of a new RC car. You see this is packaged in here pretty good. This is going to be the radio that comes with it. This is 2.4 gigahertz. It is a little bit smaller than your standard radio. Not by much, but just by a little bit. And it probably uses, let's see, if it's 3 AA's or if it's going to be 4. I'm assuming it's probably going to be 4. Yeah, it uses 4 AA's. So that's good. It uses 4 AA's in it. The other one that I had that was kind of a rock crawler used 3 and stuff. So that's pretty good. And you guys see here, it does have, let me see if I can turn some of this brightness off real quick. So you see it does have your basic steering trims and your throttle trims as well. And this is going to be your bind button right there. And of course, on-off switch for it. So basic standard does have a foam casing around the steering wheel as well. So that'll be good. This will be fine. And actually with the foam, you see there is space here. Because sometimes when you get these radios that have foam on them, balance that up real quick. Sometimes it's too much foam. And a lot of times when you turn left or right, it kind of gets stuck or jammed up. But this one seems to be fine with this one. So anyway, let's take a look at this car. Oh, we got a lot of this all over the place. So let me get this out, this package real quick. Alright, so got this out. It does come with a charger, and yes, it does come with, that's just some foam that's still on there. It does come with an adapter on there for American plug. So yes, thank you Gearbest. I'm glad you guys are doing this to your cars and stuff now. Or the companies you work with, because this does help if you get this and you want to just run it and you don't have a charger or anything, because it's probably like a lithium-ion battery or something that comes with it. And most people don't have chargers, and most people that get this kind of just want to run it straight as it is. So it does come with the adapter included on it as well. It does come with some tools. It's going to be your 4-way tool to get tires and wheels off. This is plastic though. And then it comes with a little very small, teensy-weensy, tiny, itty-bitty, if you guys can see that. Philip said it's not even going to focus in on that. So that's probably to work on the car and like take the body and stuff like that off. So looking at this right now, this, like I said before, this is 12 scale. And this is a functional tire wheel. I'm going to have to clean this foam off because it's going to be everywhere. I don't want to do it here because it's going to be all over the place. It's going to stick to everything. But this is 12 scale. It does have a functional tire on the back of it. And are those real workable? I think these are LED lights for top and bottom. So that's going to be pretty cool and pretty good. The tire compound is going to be as good as you'll get with something of this size and this cost as well. But this blue actually looks good. It is kind of a shiny blue. I thought it was going to be a little bit of a duller color, but it actually is sticking out pretty good. So, and that's actually going to have room for, and I'm going to say it, I got G.I. Joe men, guys. So I'll be putting a Roadblock or somebody up in here, and maybe Lady J on the other side. He could be pimping out. So let's take a look underneath here real quick. So a lot of these cars, when they come, they don't come with this aluminum piece here, which is good because this breaks a lot. So now that this is not coming with plastic, it comes with aluminum. That means it's going to be a little bit more durable than some of the other cars that kind of have this kind of suspension design to the rear of it as well. So let me see if I can plug this up and see if we can turn this on. Got it turned on, and guess what, guys? It does come with lights, top and bottom. So that's going to be pretty cool there. I might even try and test run this later tonight as well. So suspension setup, it's gonna be decent for what it's worth. I may have to do some minor adjustments to that. And actually, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just noticing this. Those shocks are laid down in there. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably have to do another video where I actually take the body off and look at that shock design. But it does kind of have that Formula One type shock design in there as well. I'm loving these LED lights, guys. That's looking really, really good. So that's pretty good. As far as front axles, they are CVA or CVD. So that's pretty good. So there's not dog bones. You ain't got to worry about breaking that. It looks like it has like a little stabilizer bar right here in front of it as well. It does have a couple of aluminum components to it. So it's going to be pretty durable. I'm not going to bash this and just trash this into walls and stuff like that. But I do plan on running it off-road and stuff. And I won't be doing any durability tests because I don't really want to scratch this up too much. But I am going to run this off-road. This is kind of like a rock racer. And it does say it can go about 28 to 30 miles per hour. So we'll put that to the test as well. But guys, this is a quick look at this. I don't want to go into too much detail about this until I get this thing running. Probably have to work on the suspension because it'll probably be just a little bit bouncy, but I'm liking the way. Actually, that's actually pretty good now that I'm seeing it. We'll have to see when we get out and running because we'll have to see how the speed of it is. And of course, tires help too with some of the absorption. The tire compound, there's no foam in here, but they seem to be pretty good for all around driving. So that was just, guys, a quick look at this. Can't wait to get this out and running. The link is going to be below in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing this as well. And of course, I always try to get you guys discounts and stuff. So stay tuned for more running videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more videos. And man, now I gotta vacuum and get some tape out and get all this foam up. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.